The Forui YK1860 circular vibrating screen is designed for mining, coal, metallurgy, and aggregates. It features 4 decks, each measuring 1.8 meters in width and 6.0 meters in length, handling feed sizes up to 300 millimeters. With a capacity of 50 to 300 tons per hour, it is ideal for medium and large-scale plants. The screen adopts a non-welded side plate structure with extra reinforcement. Side plates and crossbeams are fastened with ring groove rivets, ensuring strength and stability. A multi-spring damping system provides smooth operation, while the modular counterweight design allows easy vibrating stroke adjustment for optimal performance. Forui vibrating screens deliver high efficiency and dependable quality. Sizes range from 2 square meters to 10 square meters, with up to 4 decks configurable. The screen materials options include grizzly bars, modular polyurethane panels, and steel wire meshes. Optional washing systems are also available to meet diverse applications. Choose Forui vibrating screens for reliable performance and superior results. Contact us today to find the perfect screening solution for your operation.